There are four things we need to know. The first one is energy. It's not just physical and mental, it's divided into four dimensions. The only way you can stabilize in a state of good experience is if all four dimensions are nourished, or at least two or three of them, and it has to be very rich. And then, these four dimensions must be interacting with each other. It's more complicated. You have to give a little patience, a little bit to go in and add changes. And here, especially, the inhibition is the source of everything. That's our first point. The second point is that we need switching fluctuations, the rhythm of nature, the pulse of life, rather than a straight line. Then we need to do more activities that are synchronized with the rhythm of nature. The third point is that energy is like a muscle. It atrophies if you don't exercise it, so we must get out of our comfort zone and challenge ourselves a little bit more often. The fourth point is that rituals are very useful and important for these changes, not just window dressing. Finally, let's take a very quick look at where we should start and how we should proceed with the practicalities of knowing these truths. And out of these four accounts, it is recommended that we must start by picking the one that is easiest for you to start with, or else everything will be difficult at the beginning, and once you experience too much pressure to change, you'll shrink back to your old habits. Then the four accounts that are probably easier for everyone are your physical account and your emotional account. For those of you who are younger and have less life experience, it may be easier to start with the physical account to increase your exercise habits, improve your diet, and as you become more and more physically active, you will have the energy to adjust your thinking account at work and your will account, to think through all the issues, and to establish a very clear and concrete system of values and value orientations. For those of you who are a little bit older and have life experience, it is possible that the first thing we need to do is to go ahead and deal with a lot of the baggage on our emotional accounts. Sort out your past experiences, sort out those past emotions, and the only way you're going to be able to do that is if you let go of all that baggage first, and then make it a little bit lighter, and remove some of those stones, and then you'll have that mental energy to go out and change your workouts, and change your diets, and get your fitness up to speed as well. And as far as that goes, it's probably a different entry point for different people, So this is for your reference. It's important that you find the entry point that works best for you.